Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everything is going fit and fine at your side and you must be enjoying your time. I'm here with my today's topic, that is Urdu versus English of future perfect continuous tense, that is almost the last aspect of future tense and tenses as well. I'll take start with the sentence structure, that it is subject plus helping verb plus verb ing plus object and then use of since and for. The helping verbs for this tense are will have been and shall have been, obviously according to the subject. Then Urdu identification is same as continuous tense, that in the end of the Urdu sentences we will have raha hoga, rahe honge, rahi hogi. And then since and for. Since is used for actual point of the time when the action is started, and for is used duration of time. Now coming towards the positive sentences, and the very first sentence is Bashir 2 घंटे से सबक याद कर रहा होगा. Bashir will have been learning the lesson for 2 hours. किसान 4 रोज से हल चला रहा होगा. The farmer will have been plowing for 4 days. For 4 days means it's the duration of the time, it's not a specific or particular time, and its point of time is not mentioned. परिंदे सुबह से चहचहा रहे होंगे. Birds will have been chirping since morning. Now morning is the exact point, so that's why since is used. बारिश मंगल से हो रही होगी. It will have been raining since Tuesday. 20 मिनट से ओले पड़ रहे होंगे. It will have been hailing for 20 minutes. तुम 1 घंटे से बच्चे को सता रहे होगे. You will have been teasing the child for an hour. वो 3 दिन से शरारत कर रहा होगा. He will have been making mischief for 3 days. लड़का 10 बजे से रस्सी को खींच रहा होगा. The boy will have been pulling the rope since 10 o'clock. वो सितंबर से बाकायदा स्कूल जा रहा होगा. He will have been going to school regularly since September. ये आदमी 2 बजे से होते लगा रहे होंगे. These men will have been diving since 2 o'clock. मछेरे 3 दिन से मछलियाँ पकड़ रहे होंगे. The fisherman will have been catching fish for 3 days. लड़के शाम से होमवर्क करते रहे होंगे. The boys will have been doing homework since evening. Now negative sentences. वो 7 बजे से अखबार नहीं पढ़ता रहा होगा. He will not have been reading the newspaper since 7 o'clock. हम रात से मजमून नहीं लिखते रहे होंगे. We shall not have been writing the essay since night. वो शाम से खेलते नहीं रहे होंगे. They will not have been playing since evening. रंगसाज 3 घंटे से कपड़े नहीं रंगता रहा होगा. The dyer will not have been dyeing clothes for 3 hours. माली सुबह से फूल नहीं चुनता रहा होगा. The gardener will not have been plucking flowers since morning. ये आदमी 5 माह से इस शहर में नहीं रहता रहा होगा. This man will not have been living in this city for 5 months. तुम जुलाई से मकान का किराया अदा नहीं करते रहे होगे. You will not have been paying rent of the house since July. Now it's time for interrogative sentences. क्या तुम सुबह से बातें करते रहे होगे? Will you have been talking since morning? आप 2 घंटे से किसका इंतज़ार करते रहे होंगे? Whom will you have been waiting for 2 hours? लकड़हारा 3 दिन से कुल्हारा कहाँ ढूंढ रहा होगा. Where will the woodcutter have been looking for his axe for 3 days? बच्चा कब से खिलौनों से खेलता रहा होगा. Since when will the child have been playing with the toys? जिल्दसाज 4 बजे से किताबों की जिल्दें क्यों नहीं करता रहा होगा. Why will the bookbinder not have been binding the books since 4 o'clock? क्या वो 2 घंटे से किताब पढ़ रहा होगा. Will he have been reading a book for 2 hours? क्या तुम्हारा भाई 4 साल से नज़में लिखता रहा होगा. Will your brother have been writing the poems for 4 years? क्या बदकिस्मत आदमी कई दिन से सोच रहा होगा. Will the unfortunate man have been thinking for several days? Now it's time for your practice. Just write down your own sentences and translate them into English. I hope up till now you have done a lot of practice of all the tenses, and if you have gone through all the tenses, so it will be now a bit easier than before, and you are able to understand the concept of tenses. Just stay tuned and I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.